In this example, we're going to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number using partial products. We're going to start by multiplying each of the digits in 284 by each of the digits in the second factor, 23. We'll start with 200, and we're going to multiply 200 by 20 first, which is 4,000, and then we're going to multiply 200 by the 3 in 23, which is 600. Next, we'll take the 80 in 284 and we'll multiply it first by the 20 in 23. 80 times 20 is 1,600, and then we're going to multiply 80 by 3, which is 240. Then we multiply the 4 from 284 first by 20, which is 80, and then we'll multiply it by 3, which is 12. And our final step is to add up all the partial products to find the final product, which is 6,532.